The goal of life is living in agreement with nature. Nature and humans are one. If nature fades away, humans will do so too. It is necessary for humans to appreciate nature because science has proven that it contributes to human health. We are dependent on nature in many ways. We are alive because of it. Nature provides us with life. Without its coexistence, human life would be threatened. No matter where in the world, everyone in distinct forms relies on nature for adequate, ideal health and well-being.
The connection between nature and human is crucial for our mental health. Various studies have demonstrated that people who interact more with nature are those who demonstrate to have healthier and more stable mental health. Cortisol is the hormone associated with stress. It has been proven that spending time in a natural environment helps lower cortisol levels. There is such a big connection between our mental health and nature that the simple sound of it makes us humans project an instant calming effect. Our cognitive function is also improved by nature's human impact. It increases focus, creativity, and our problem-solving abilities. Nature has an immense stimulating effect on our senses. Its flowers, animals, and colors all add up to a feeling of connection towards our surroundings. When talking about social interaction, nature provides an ideal setting for social activities and bonding. Shared experiences in natural settings can strengthen the relationships and provide a sense of community. Nature's value on human health is countless. Nature is an important need for many and vital in keeping us emotionally, physiologically, and physically healthy.
Nature contributes to humans' physical health in a variety of ways. Our well-being is constantly needing nature's help. Nature provides us with many different resources that our body requires to be alive. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, it all comes from nature. Without this, life wouldn't be possible. The nutrients we rely on are gained from food that our ecosystems provide. Many diseases will be much more regular if we didn't have this, and it can even result in death. Nature also helps us in curing a variety of diseases by having components used in medications such as aspirin, penicillin, morphine, and others that derive from plants and fungi. As stated by the International Nature Conservation Organization, which is a recognized research worldwide, when we protect and appreciate our environment, we also maintain nature's medicine cabinet. Additionally to what was previously mentioned, it can't only help medicine production, but also disease prevention and reduce probability of this within the population, ensuring a good well-being and health. Environmental degradation, deforestation, and wildlife trafficking drive to disease outbreaks. A recent study, co-authored by Conservation International experts, outlined a plan to decrease the risk of future pandemics by 27% with a 10-year investment that is 50 times less than the cost of the coronavirus response efforts to current date. This plan fully consists of protecting nature so humans are less exposed to the diseases wildlife can carry, like Ebola or COVID-19. According to the University of Minnesota, a credible and certified institute, making the evidence reliable and effective, exposure to nature not only makes you feel better emotionally, but it also contributes to your physical well-being, reducing blood pressure, heart rate, muscle tension, and the production of stress hormones. It may even reduce mortality rate, according to the scientists such as public health researchers Stamatsky and Mitchell. Nature is more important than we actually realize. We fully depend on it. It's time to begin reasoning and appreciating what nature does for us, and in return, protect it. It may sound very broad, but it is extremely simple. You are the change. Begin now, or it will be too late.
Now we're going to be referring to nature and spirituality. How are they both connected? How can we talk about them together? First of all, both Earth and human have electromagnetic waves, which basically means we are connected by science. Also, many qualitative sociological studies report that individuals often use nature as a source of spirituality in their everyday lives. For example, it is said that forests, lakes, and mountains often invoke a feeling of the divine or inspire a sense of awe. They are a resource that people may use to connect to the sacred to generate spiritual feelings. When you make direct contact with earth through your bare feet or by lying in the grass, you reconnect electrically to the battery of the planet. This contact helps to balance the flow of energy in your physiology and has been shown that they reduce inflammation, stress, and anxiety. All these symptoms have been said in mental health previously. According to the principles of traditional Chinese medicine, such as Ayurveda and other ancient healing practices, our bodies are made up of energy pathways that connect us to the world around us. When these pathways are blocked or out of balance, we can experience physical and emotional discomfort. By tapping into the energy of the nature, whether through meditation, spending time outdoors, or making other practices, we can restore balance and harmony within ourselves. One of the key principles energies of healing is the idea that our bodies are made up of energy fields. We can't become blocked or disrupted over time. Energy, it's going to be affected. Nature is going to be the one that helps us unblock and clear these blockages and restore balance to the body's energy. By making Reiki or other practitioners can help you. Another important aspect of energy is the role that intention plays in healing process. By focusing our thoughts and intentions on healing and transformation, we can help to create powerful energetic field that supports body's natural healing processes. Plants are part of the best helpers inside nature. Also, there have been examples of riding horses, which basically means that you are connecting your body to the horse's body and energy, which is basically a healer. With all this information mentioned before and all this data given, people are now supposed to know how nature affects not only our daily lives, but also our health, physically, mentally, and spiritually. We're all connected in one sense. In this case, what we need to do is not only prevent nature from disappearing, but also be thankful of what we have. Be useful and use the resources that nature is giving us for us to be healthy. Nature is around us. Let's not lose that privilege.